Welcome to the first lecture of this video. Before starting this video, I would request you all to please subscribe this channel and access the playlist, as this channel is new and needs your support to grow. The link of the playlist is in the description box. In this video we will be sharing a very informative knowledge regarding cybersecurity. At the end of this video lecture you will learn what is cybersecurity, its importance, where cybersecurity is applied and key elements of cybersecurity. So let's start the tutorial. Starting with the question, what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting digital systems, networks, data and devices from unauthorized access, theft or damage. Now moving on to the importance of cybersecurity. We live in a connected world where almost everything, from banking and shopping to communication and entertainment, happens online. Cybersecurity is crucial because 1. Protects sensitive information. Keeps your personal data like passwords, financial details, and identity safe. 2. Prevents cyber attacks. Blocks hackers from stealing or damaging information. 3. Maintains trust. Businesses and individuals rely on cybersecurity to protect customers and partners. Where does cybersecurity apply? 1. Personal level, protecting your devices, phones, laptops, online accounts, and data. 2. Organizational level, safeguarding company systems, customer information, and intellectual property. 3. National level, preventing cyber warfare and securing critical infrastructure like power grids and transportation systems. Key elements of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity focuses on three main principles, often called the CIA triad. Confidentiality, ensuring that information is only accessible to authorized people. Example, encrypting your WhatsApp messages so only you and the recipient can read them. Integrity, ensuring that data is accurate and not tampered with. Example, protecting a medical record from unauthorized edits. Availability, ensuring information and systems are available when needed. Example, keeping websites or apps running during high traffic or attacks. With this we have reached end of our first tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. I would like to request you to post your comments regarding topics which you want to be covered in this course. See you in the next video. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn cybersecurity. And do not forget to subscribe and access this cybersecurity playlist. Thank you.